Do you know you can make money from Canva? In this video, I'm going to show you how to learn the process and how to implement it the right way to start making money online today. If you want to learn more interesting tricks on how to make money online, make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on this notification bell because we upload videos like this every week. The first step is to come to this website, Fiverr. I'm pretty sure you know what Fiverr is. If you don't, Fiverr is an online marketplace. It's a platform where people come to buy services, okay? And if you're skilled, you have a certain skill, you can sell that skill as a service on this platform, okay? You might be saying, what kind of skills can I sell on this platform? If you're a graphic designer, you can sell that on this platform. If you're into digital marketing, you can sell your services here. If you can write, if you can do translation, you can do video animation and all those stuff, you can sell those services on this platform. Okay, so basically what I want to show you today is how to use Canva, okay, to make money. That's it. Okay, you might say, how am I going to use Canva? Now, if you don't know what Canva is a platform. They have an app also. If you visit their website, it's basically a platform that helps you do a lot of graphic designing. Okay, you can do a lot of graphic designing work on Canva. Okay, so basically what you're going to do is you come to Fiverr and search Canva. You're going to see that there are a lot of results here. As you can see here, a lot of people have learned how to use Canva. Okay, they've learned how to use Canva to do a lot of graphic work. Okay, and then they come to this platform to sell that service here. Okay, so if we kind of like go through the stuffs we see here, you will see exactly what I'm talking about. You can see that a lot of people are already making money here. You can see this person says, I'll provide 50 real estate templates in Canva. This person says, I will create a editable social media post ads using Canva. This person says, I will design attractive Canva social media post aesthetics and all of that. Okay, so you can see, and then you can see the price tags. This one starts from $10, $20, $60. Okay, this person here says, I will design anything using Canva. Okay, I will design anything using Canva. You can see that's where I want you to pay attention. Okay, because what I want to show you is how to be able to design anything on Canva and have that skill and be able to come to this platform to sell that service. Okay, so if you look at this, this person says here, I will design Canva Instagram post templates. Okay, so most times when you're on Twitter, you're on Instagram, you see a lot of social media posts. Okay, some of those posts, okay, were gotten from a website like this. Okay, some of those posts were bought on website like this. Okay, so now what you're going to do is you're going to follow me to the next step as I show you how and where you can learn how to design on Canva. I know there are a lot of guys teaching how to do this, okay, but what I found out is that most videos on this, they try to show you how to do this, how to design on Canva in 2, 3, 10 minutes to 20 minutes video. Okay, but I think that will really not cover all the necessary things you really need to know to be able to design on Canva. So what I'm going to show you now is a detailed process, okay, to learning the necessary things you need to be able to come here and post a gig and start making money. You might say, how much am I gonna make? Okay, look at this person. This person says here, I would design anything in Canva. Okay, his price starts from $30, and you can see here he has a 5-star rating and he has done 213 jobs. How do I know that? If I kind of like zoom that in, you can see this is 213 people have given positive reviews. Okay, so this means that this guy has made 213 times $30 minimum. You check that, you see it's thousands of dollars. Okay, so let's stop talking and get down to business. Now, the first place to learn how to use Canva, okay, to design for any kind of graphic designing is YouTube. Okay, YouTube is a good platform where you can learn this thing for free. Okay, so all you just have to do is to come to Canva and search, come to YouTube, okay, youtube.com, and search Canva tutorials. Okay, search anything related to Canva. You see a bunch of videos, okay, that people have done on YouTube, okay, showing you how to use Canva. Okay, so you see a bunch of stuff. Okay, you will learn one or two things here, but the problem I have with learning how to use Canva on YouTube is that you're learning from a lot of people who are teaching you different stuffs. Okay, they're all teaching you about Canva, teaching you stuffs about Canva, but the learning process might not be in a sequential order. Okay, they might not be taking you through the first thing you should know, and then to the next thing, and the next thing, and the next thing. Okay, there might be few courses on YouTube that go through that route, but it might be difficult for you to find. But I'm not discouraging you. Okay, so you can learn here. That's one place you can come and learn a few things on how to use Canva, okay, to make any form of design. That's the first platform. Then let's go on to the next step so that I'll show you a better platform where you can learn how to use Canva to start making money online. So what you're going to do is you're going to come to Skillshare.com. Skillshare.com is my recommended platform where you can learn how to design on Canva, okay? And the reason I'm recommending this platform more than YouTube is because the lessons you're going to get here are arranged in a sequential order. They're arranged in the form of a course, so you'll be able to learn from the immediate basic things you need to know to the next steps, and then you have a more grounded knowledge on this. Okay, so what you are going to do is you'll come to Canva. You come to Skillshare.com. Okay, you create an account. You can see I have an account here. I'm already logged in. So once you create an account, they will introduce you to a 7-day free trial. So what you're going to do is you're going to sign up, and then you opt in for the 7-day free trial. I'm going to show you how you're going to go about that later in this video. Okay, but let me show you something very quickly. If I come here and search Canva, we have these results. Okay, so you can see I have a bunch of courses here, lessons, organized lessons, okay, that will take you through the very basic steps you need to know as a beginner to be able to design professionally on Canva. So you can see we have a lot of courses here, and then it's still you can see it's still refreshing here. Okay, yeah, I have more courses. Okay, so you can come here and then learn any of these courses. Okay, and then you'll be able to design professionally on Canva. Okay, so let's kind of like go through some of this. So let's say I want to go through this. Look at this. Let me kind of like zoom it in. It says learn Canva from an expert designer. Okay, so it says here we have 2,366 students who have learned from this guy. Okay, it says here learn Canva from an expert designer, creating a logo and brand. Okay, so you can see that. So let's say I'm interested in this course. All I need to do is to click the course, and then it opens it. So now it opens the course. Now this is where you get to meet the person who is the author of this course. And then here you see the students, you see how many projects, you see all the stuff you need to know about the course. You can go down and read all the necessary details about this course. Okay, so what you're going to do is if you're ready to start taking this course, all you just need to do is to hover your mouse to this place where it says lessons, and then you click that. Then it's going to show you the course outline. You can see all of them, and then but something is quite obvious here. You can see that they are locked. The lessons are locked, and this is because for you to learn anything on this platform, you need to subscribe. Okay, they have monthly and yearly subscriptions on this platform, so you need to subscribe. Okay, that will give you the chance to learn a lot of stuff on this platform. Okay, but the method I'm showing you in this video, you don't need to subscribe to be able to learn anything. The idea here is if you're ready, you are going to sign up for their free 7-day trial. You can say they have a 7-day free trial. You can see it here where it says start a free trial to continue this class. Okay, if you click this start your free trial here, you'll be able to take this course. Okay, and their free trial runs for 7 days. Okay, so within those 7 days you would have learned all necessary things you need to learn concerning Canva. Okay, as you can see, the lessons are not kind of like tedious. Okay, 45 minutes, 8 minutes, 6 minutes, 3 minutes, 2 minutes. Okay, the maximum here being 12 minutes, 13 minutes course. So you can finish this course and then go to the next one and learn. You can finish everything here. Okay, and then get the requisite knowledge you need, and then the next thing is to go to Play Store, download Canva app, okay, on your mobile phone or maybe your laptop, and start designing and then start making money. Okay, so that's basically what you can do, okay, to know how to make money on Canva. Okay, and most importantly, like I said before, I prefer you learning this on this platform, okay, instead of YouTube, because the lessons are not arranged in a sequential order. Okay, a lot of people teaching different stuffs. Okay, there is no sequential order. You might get things mixed up and confused, but it's still okay to learn on YouTube. But I would recommend you learning from here first, and then you go to YouTube. So when you've learned from here, you have a basic knowledge, then you go to YouTube and finish it there. Okay, so having said this, now what's the next step? Now, the next step is to come to this website here, quickendgigs.com, okay? We have high competition in Fiverr, okay? So you can go to Fiverr and create an account, okay, as a seller. All you just have to do is to go to fiverr.com, okay? And then you create an account. But why creating an account? Create an account as a seller, okay, as a freelancer. That's another word, okay? Create an account as a freelancer on Fiverr. We have much competition on Fiverr, but you might still make a few sales on Canva. But we have less competition on this platform, and this platform is similar to Fiverr. Okay, so this is where you sell your services, okay, your skills, okay, stuff you know how to do. You sell them here. Okay, so all you just need to do is to come here, and then you see where it says get started. Okay, so you click that, and then you get started and fill in the necessary details, and then you start selling on this platform. Okay, so let's go to the next website. The next website and the final website is this website here. Okay, yeah, good. This is peoplepayhour.com. Okay, if you watch my video, I talk about this website a lot and the previous one. Okay, so all you just have to do is to come here, and then you create an account as before on the other platform. If you want to get started, click get started now for free. Okay, it's for free. You create an account as a freelancer, and then you'll be able to create a gig here, okay, and then you start making money. So you can see I've shown you 3 platforms where you can utilize this and start making money. Okay, you can do this on Fiverr, you can do it on peoplepayhour.com, you can do it on quickendgigs.com. So these are the 3 platforms where you can do this. Okay, so but make sure you start learning this skill on Skillshare.com. Okay, they're going to give you an opportunity for a 7-day free trial. Okay, they're going to ask you to put in your card details. Don't be afraid, just put in your details. Okay, but make sure you cancel your subscription before it's 7 days. Okay, before 7 days of your subscription. Okay, so you make sure you cancel. By then you would have learned all you need to learn, and then you go to YouTube and learn more to add finishing touches to it, and then you become a professional in this and start making money on Fiverr. So it's your guy Ken. This is the video I have for you for today. Make sure you share this video among your friends. Okay, if you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you have any question, make sure you leave them in the comment section below this video. Okay, and we'll meet again in the next video.